Boogie. He's allergic to plain stuff. Oh. Are you okay, Jackson?
He's allergic to
Oh no, what's wrong? Oh my god, that's not good, Ryan.
What's he doing?
Well, he's not sneezing, but it's like really bad. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? That's